Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Google Play Store purchase history. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store application. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Then select Budget and History. Here, you'll see the full history of your purchases made through the Play Store. Now go back to the previous screen. Tap on your profile icon again, and this time select Manage your Google account. From here, select Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down until you find the option that says Delete a Google Service. Tap on Delete a Google Service and wait for the page to load. At this point, I couldn't continue recording for security reasons, but here's what to do. Enter your phone password or Gmail password, or also Gmail if needed, to verify your identity. From there, you'll be able to delete specific Google services, including Play Store data, which will remove your purchase history. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you delete your Google Play Store purchase history. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech tips. Thanks for watching,